for Christmas.
Okay. Amay is busy and her mom baking cookies.
I think this one's like peanut butter ones. These ones?
Butter. Yeah, what is that? The sprinkle, the sugar cookies?
No, Mommy said we're gonna make those on Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see these ones? It was supposed to be these kind of sprinkles, but Mom ran out, so she used these ones.
Yeah, and this one is a Christmas one, right?
Yeah, this one has like dark chocolate chips, white chocolate chips. It's like a confetti one. These ones are my favorite. They're ooey gooey Christmas cookies.
Over here.
Yeah.
And
These ones. They have my favorite candy and
the pan for the cookies.
the tin.
Okay guys, ako mag-take over mag-bake. Pagod yung anak ko. Kanina pa ng umaga siya nag-mix ng mga
Yep. Oh, scooping up the
cookies. Ano siya yung
and putting on there.
What? 6 different kind of cookies?
No, 8.
8? Oh, 8 different kind of flavor.
Of cookies.
So, ang ginawa niya, ito siya guys, yung from the scratch. So, ang ginawa niya, yung
Mommy makes
minix muna
really
niya
good desserts.
lahat
You guys
bago
should
niya
really
binake.
taste them. They're delicious.
So, nakatapos yata siya ng
Honestly, Mommy makes delicious
yung
treats.
almost 2 o'clock. So, yun, nag-start siya nag-bake ng mga around 3, 4, 5, like almost 3 hours na. So, ito, ngayon ang natin. I just finished baking this one. And that's what my daughter start baking a while ago. Ganyan, all the way down. Sa Oreo cookies. Ayan, pinapalamig ko na lang. Yeah.
Okay, so I have to roll the ball, put it in the sprinkles. Me and Mom didn't get to finish it because we had 8 different cookies to make.
So while you're doing that, I'm gonna do the dishes.
Okay. We didn't have time, so we need 3 more cookies that we need to finish. This one's like the chocolates and rainbow sprinkles. I don't know what it's called. We're doing another peanut butter one. I can roll this one. And the last one is the chess mix. My mom didn't do the dough yet. So when she gets off at work at 9, she's gonna make the dough, and then we're gonna start baking that one. Oh, is this good enough, Part?
Baby. Yeah, that's good. Wow. That's pretty.
I know. See, everybody, we have to use these rainbow sprinkles like my mom told me. And she gave me instructions like how to preheat the oven, how long to put these cookies in, and the other ones, but not the chess mix. She's going to do that. I can see why Mommy wants the gloves. Add a little bit more. If it looks like it's sticking out, all I have to do is just roll it, and then look, you can't even see it anymore.
Yeah, she's a baker.
I know, I love to bake just like Mommy likes to bake too. My mom can make all kinds of desserts.
You can look at her apron. Her name She got an apron on her with her name Amaya.
I got it from Vinny's. One of my mom's friend, Gigi, she has a little girl named Valentina. It was her birthday. I think it was her birthday, and they all had aprons with our names printed on it.
Okay. Okay, so Amaya finished it. There you go, guys. So we're just gonna ready to put in the oven and bake it.
Yeah, Ola asked where the Hershey Kisses are supposed to go when they are done, and when she pulls them out of the oven, I unwrap them and put them in the middle. See, look, kind of looks like this,
okay.
but with sprinkles.
Okay, so after we finish baking it, then she's gonna put the Hershey Kisses on the top of each.
Yeah,
cookie.
and these ones are called Chocolate Wish Cookies. Chocolate Wishes Cookies.
Okay. This is what Amaya did.
Yeah, me and Mom didn't finish it. But when she gets home, she's gonna make cookies.
The butter cookies now, look, guys, this is what we use.
My mom put like a whole entire stick of butter.
We squirted and then we flattened it.
Yeah, with a knife. Okay, guys, I finished with the cookies, all of them. And here they turned out. Look, the chocolate melted into the cookie. That's how it's supposed to be. And the butter cookies turned out great. It's like that good golden bottom. And me and Owa are gonna use these tins to put the cookies in there, one of each cookie. Peanut butter, the ooey gooey ones I love so much. I think this one is kind of like the confetti one. It's kind of like it, but it's not it.
You send it to Mom. You just a picture, so you send to Mom that it's already done.
And there's a lot of tins. There's in the back there's square tins, and over here in the front there's circles. So squares in the back, and over here circles in the front. And this is the tin that I love so much because it's the only tin that's like this. We only have one kind of this kind of tin. So we're gonna clean up over here and put each cookie in this tin. I'm thinking of having a competition to get this one. Haha! Yay!
Okay, everyone, we get ready to
Put the cookies in the tins.
put our cookies in the can.
Yeah, one of each cookie in each tin.
So that's all the cookies that
Mommy made.
Go ahead. Okay,
Okay.
there's Amaya. She have to put one each cookies on the container.
Oreo, Hershey Kiss,
Okay.
peanut butter.
And peanut butter.
This one. And the ooey gooey cookies.
Okay.
And then over here. I put these ones on top because they can break.
Okay, so let me see now. Wow. Okay, that's good. So far she already did 3 cans right there, and there's 3. So another one. So like we got 21
look,
container.
come look. Oh, over here. Look,
Mhm.
look at these. Okay, guys. I know these ones are different sprinkles. My mom ran out of these sprinkles. This one are the same kind of cookies, but just with different sprinkles.
Okay.